looks so tasty. Now I'm going to munch with my sister and bro. Let's see who won. It's competition time. Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody's good. Today I'm making spicy noodles. You can see. Make sure when you buy this pack it says halal if you're Muslim. And then I'm gonna make it with chicken frankfurters. And if you want to see halal as well, there's halal sign here. If you add chicken frankfurters or any sausages, it gives extra flavor, so extra maza lage. I'm adding boiling water from the kettle. If you want to use cold water from the sink, you can, but if you use hot water, it boils quickly, saves time, so it's up to you. These are the flavor packs that you can see. Vegetable mix, and the other one is spicy. I think the hot spice one. I'm just only using two of the pack. Cooking the vegetable mix. This one calls to this. I think this is hot one. You can see it looks so spicy already.
Mix it well.
Here chicken frankfurters the fry and here is getting cooked. Make sure when it's sticky, and then you can chicken frankfurters is done, so I'm going to chop them now. It's boiling so nicely, so we need to cook more, and I'm going to add the frankfurters now. The chicken frankfurters is getting cut. You can cut into any shapes you like. Still hot though, need to be careful. Adding the chicken frankfurters soup. It looks so delicious. Can't wait. Leave it a good stir. You can see when it gets sticky, that's when you can turn off the flame. Sticky now will taste better. So when you're cooking, you can see if the noodles are looking sticky. If you need to add more water, you can add more water. When you're eating, it needs to be a bit saucy, like watery. But if you want to make it dry and eat it, you can do that as well. Adding more green chilies, but it's up to you. You don't have to add more green chilies, but if you're a spicy lover, you can. It's optional. It's done, guys. Time to eat. Let's serve in the bowl. I don't have coriander leaf today. Well, my bad luck. Coriander leaf might taste a bit better.
You guys find it spicy?
It's very spicy.
I'm dying.
I need milk. Cheers. Let's cook. Let's cool our mouth down. It's very spicy.